Got some salsa and some chicken in here in a crock pot cooker. It cooks the frozen chicken for 3 or 8 hours, and you can leave it even when you leave the house. And I got a can of tomatoes here. Make it extra juicy. And I got some garlic. We like garlic a lot. And some cumin. And some dried cilantro. Fresh cilantro is better, but I got dried here at the house. And some chili powder, chipotle chili powder. Stirring it. But there's chicken breast in here. That might be hard. And if it's not juicy enough in here, if you had more chicken or whatever, or you like yours extra juicy, you can add another can of tomatoes. Or maybe that'll be better, too, to make it more juicy. This looks pretty good, though. So you put your crock pot lid on here. And this one is pretty cool. You gotta plug it in. And this one's pretty cool because you can program it to turn off when it's done, and then it'll just keep it warm. We can do 4 hours or 8 hours. I guess 4 hours is good. Or we can do 8 hours on low, so it's fresher, actually. Yeah. I'm going to show you how to make an Indian taco and a regular taco. With a taco with naan bread and a taco with a taco shell. We'll warm up the naan in the microwave, because that's how we do things here. And I'll turn on this burner and make it hot a little. Don't stick my hand there. Is that even warming up? I don't know.
Yeah, that's done.
And this tortilla's almost warm. And these are warm too now. They're warm. Oops. And my tortilla's warm. And then we need to get the chicken and shred a little bit of it. Just a tiny bit to try to make one taco. I mean, 2 tacos. How do I break off one more piece? A little more, huh? I'll have to shred it fully later. I'll put this lid back on to keep it warm for later when we actually eat. Get some pork. And you shred it. Shred your chicken. And you put some on this naan taco. Some on this naan taco. And some on this regular taco. And then, and then your finger's all wet, so you wipe it off. Excuse me. And then you add some lettuce if you want. Lettuce. And some onion. And some cilantro. And then some lime juice, if you'd like.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
And then, if you really want, you can have some more hot sauce on top of your salsa. And then there you have it. And you fold it, and you take a bite.
Or is it yummy?
Yummy. This one's spicy.
Okay.